Hello, my friends. On this video, I want to think a little bit more with you about vibe coding. I keep seeing my team and talking with other tech leads or CEOs about how difficult it is to the developer team to adopt more and more vibe coding and study more how to do a great code and let it more responsibility to the AI. This is what I want to talk with you today, and there's already a good concept of levels of vibe coding. The beginner basically copy and paste from ChatGPT. Junior is just prompting back and forth, manually fixing the code. The manager, he's already reviewing the output, approving changes, still in the loop, but almost not touching the code. Level 4, it's a project manager. He's already created good PRDs, good specs, AI execute. He doesn't touch the code anymore. He don't touch the code anymore. And Dark Factory, the specs, the PRD are great, are complete. The AI helps him with this, and he has already environment where just drop what we need to do, and the AI does it all from testing, from deployment as well. So common problems, right? Context window, AI games, it own tests, single agent, generalist that I want to cover here. And I want to show you an example of how I'm doing. By the way, I'm in level 4 and aiming to level 5. And I see that my team and other folks are still in level 3, and I'm pushing them to let's go to level 5, guys. So this can be helpful as well. So let me talk about level 5. That is my goal for next month. Level 5, the goal is that we drop the PRD, the user stories that we already built, and we have an agent harness, like a lot of agents, sub-agents, or cloud teams that will work on each part of it. For this work, we need to have a few things set up. So GitHub, you need to give access so he can commit, push, create branches, linear or ClickUp or Task Claude, that is the one that I'm developing. You need somehow to a human visualization, so we know which tasks the agent harness are working. Playwright, or another tool that give them the ability to test, open the browser and test itself, etc. AI model, of course, state management. That's key for context window and keeping track of what the AI is doing. I will show you how we do that. And MCP tools, all of it that you need. Context 7, Playwright, whatever it's necessary. And the goal is that what you drop here is pretty good, well written. It will give you working software that you just open the browser and it's there. Agent teams and sub agents. So this probably is the way that you are already doing it. By the way, it's how I'm trying to force myself to move on. And we keep on this loop, right? It's already amazing. It's already giving us great software pieces, but we still are like in charge on clicking yes, continue, and sometimes we need to go there and test, etc. Agent teams, we are delegating responsibilities. This helps with creating different context windows. We are creating skills for each agent, so they are specialists on one specific area. This enhance the quality of the code and avoid mistakes. And when we use teams, basically we are having an orchestrator agent that has the entire view, and one agent can learn from the other. Sub-agents are kind of in their silos. It depends, right? Because sub-agents is also cheaper than running agents. And what I want to show you now is my launch skill that I developed mainly to help me on big features. So what I want to show is how I'm doing Test Cloud, that is an open source tool that I will launch soon. And as you can see here in the boards, we can link integrations like this one. So I want to add a few integrations so the board can take the decisions itself. But this is basically a mock-up, it's just a front end. And I want it to integrate all of it, create the necessary changes in my code base, but also create the integrations for each one of these. So I could spend the day going back and forth, of course, after like 10, 20, 30 minutes, 1 hour, it will finish one step and then I have to say continue, etc. But I want to be smarter than this. So here in my task law project, let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Uh, I will just start the PRD that I already explained, and I'm using the launch skill. It will create the feature JSON progress MD. This is the state management that our agents will use to track it. And I could use the single sessions instead. That is basically the old way of doing it, like this. But let's try the launch it. So proceed with full setup, and you will spawn 3 agent teams to start building. Yes. So this decision of using agent teams instead of sub agents was done by the launch skill. And what was the proposal that the launch skill gave me? Break into backend engineer, front-end engineer, and seed data writer. As I want 17 integrations here, imagine I run this in a single thread, like this one, then the other one, then the other one. It's such a waste of time. So I am creating threads so it can spin up sub agents and create one by one. By the way, thinking now, I'm not sure if this will be the team, the agent that will be only solo focus on writing all the integrations, or it will like create threads in parallel to work on it. This should be something that it would do. I didn't check that. But anyway, this is how we will build it. And let me show you how the launch works here. Go to my skill. This launch, I am the launch skill. I add in my global Claude code. By the way, something that is really important for you to do is to give settings is to give Claude Code experimental agent teams. So it has the ability to do it. I already add playwright, and man, give the permissions, and dangerous keep permissions. Otherwise, it will keep bothering. So this is the launch skill. You'll be in the description I'll add here for you to download it. But this is basically mission control for autonomous projects and analysis test, recommended approaches, sub agents or teams, set up the environment. And this, I think, is fundamental. We need first just say, go do it. We need to set up the environment. Otherwise, it will not have the necessary skills and don't know. And if like we didn't set up playwright in the right way, it will just break and stop the execution. You don't know why. So this skill also creates a checklist if all your setup environment is ready, and if it needs to set up a few things. If you're doing a Python project, so it will make sure you create the venv or whatever environment you're gonna use, have all the npm or pip package that you need, stuff like that. What else here? Let me see how this is going. So now phase 4, launch, creating the teams and spawning 3 agents in parallel. Well, anyway, I will give this. I will send you this skill for you to test, and it's really important for you to push yourself forward, ramp up, because it's freaking fast. It's freaking fast how the vibe coding and how good the vibe coding is getting shape. I do recommend you to don't stay behind and go out of your comfort zone. Instead, create some dummy tests for you to play with this. It's really important for you to more and more let go the development and the controlling of your environment, but create the necessary skills, create the necessary environment, so the AI, and that you trust the AI to do this for you. Okay, I think this is it for today. And if you like it, please subscribe. And if you have better ideas, I'm still learning, I'm not there yet. Please feel free to share your insights here with me. Okay, see you next time.